Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing, or more or less like telling you about Lunar Tides in shade Smoky Purple. I have already reviewed Lunar Tides on my channel, but it was a shade Plum Purple. But this time I have finally got Smoky one. I've been eyeing this shade for like half a year, but first I didn't get to buying it, and then I went dark purple. Yeah, so I got plum purple then, but this time I have finally got it. I had my hair pre-lightened to like lilac color, but it was really patchy and it was all sorts of colors, and I actually hated it. I hate when my color is patchy. So first I was thinking that I will dilute it, but I did a strand test. I left it on for, it was really a while, so the color wasn't as opaque as what I'm wearing now, but I decided I won't dilute it, it will fade anyway. So yeah, I also have some footage from when I was dyeing my hair, so I will like put it at the end of video, I think, so you can check. As plum purple, it smells really good. It has more liquidy texture, but I really love it because it is easier to apply evenly on your hair. And yeah, basically this is the result. I really love this color because it's that perfect mix between blue-based purple, red-based purple, and also with hints of grey, and it actually looks really nice, and I'm really interested to see how it will fade. Now, I haven't washed it since I dyed it, and that's why I'm making this video, because I want you to see what the color is like when it's fresh. If your hair is like white or bleached, the color may be a little bit different, but this is basically what it looks like. It is pretty similar like what's on the box, a little bit darker, but as I said, I don't really mind because it will fade anyway. If you have darker hair, even if this hair color is really dark, if you have darker hair, I guess it won't catch on your hair, which is really interesting, and I guess it's because the gray undertones in it. I have a little bit color left, so I will show you how does it look. It smells really good. It doesn't even look like purple inside, it looks like burgundy color, and the color is so much different than what it's on my hair. For my hair, which is like not too thick, not too thin, I have like medium thickness of my hair, I have used like 3/4 of this cup. It's like 180 milliliters. Normally you're supposed to leave this in your hair for like 35 minutes, but I have left it for 2 hours, I think. So yeah, I think the longer you leave these colors, the better, because they will not damage your hair, and the color will just, your hair will soak the color more, I think, the longer you leave it. Yeah, but basically I applied the color with a brush, then I have put my hair up and put a plastic bag on it. I blow dried with warm air from blow dryer, and then I put a towel on the plastic bag I had already on my head, and I left it for 2 hours, and I rinsed it with super cool water. I really wanted lighter hair, but I was kinda annoyed that the color was so patchy, so I just went with this, and I actually really like it. And I'm really planning to repurchase this shade because I'm in love with it. So now I will cut to the video of me dyeing my hair. I don't really know how much of the footage will be usable because just filming in my bathroom sucks, but I will try and insert some clips here. Hi, so as I mentioned in the part before, I will be using Smoky Purple from Lunar Tides, and first I'm gonna do the strand test so I can really see what the color is like undiluted, and then I will decide if I will keep it as it is or dilute it basically, because I'm not really sure. It definitely looks really dark in the pot. I don't know if it translates to camera, but it looks like warm purple, almost like burgundy maybe. So I'm gonna brush through my hair and then put them in a ponytail and leave a small section out so I can test the color. Actually, the color looks really nice from what I can tell. What makes me a little worried that I have like a really bluish base, but it shouldn't really be a problem. This is how it looks when it's on. I will leave it there for a while and then I'm gonna wash my entire head so my hair is clean and ready for a new color. And I will be back when my hair is washed and a little bit dry, so yeah. But yeah, as you can see, it's not as much color difference, but it's like more vibrant and more purplish and less blue, and I guess I won't even dilute it. So I have washed and almost dried my hair. It is still a little bit wet, but not like soaking wet. I will be using brush or also from Lunartide. I have got it when I made my first order. And I should probably use gloves because I don't want to color my hands. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about this hair color, put it down below and I will try to answer you. If you like the video, you can give it a thumbs up or also subscribe to my channel for more videos related to alternative makeup and clothing, and hopefully I will see you in my next video soon. Bye bye!